Hey there, it's been a while, but I have some really exciting and probably surprising updates for you. Would you believe I started a different GLP-1 medication? I did. I want to preface this video by saying that this it's going to be a little different, okay? Because my kids are home, they out of school for the summer, my microphone died, so I'm working with this, and somebody cutting the grass. So just bear with me. But if you've been following my journey, then you know that I was on Wegovy for over a year, okay? And I had a tremendous amount of success when I was on Wegovy, but unfortunately, it just couldn't take me to the finish line. And what I learned is sometimes when you're on a weight loss journey, you have to pivot. And that's what I decided to do. I decided to stop Wegovy after being stuck at a plateau for months. I put in my best effort. I made the changes and I did the work, but it just could not take me to where I was trying to go, okay? So I talked to my doctor and I was prescribed with Zepbound. So I have already completed a full month on 2.5 milligrams. That's the lowest dose. And I am currently on 5 milligrams. I've stepped up and I have 2 pens left, so 2 more weeks at 5 milligrams. And I am so happy to report that I have had no side effects. So if you've been on a GLP-1 medication for a while and you don't feel as if that specific medication is best for you, then I need you to talk to your doctor. I need you to talk to your doctor to see what alternatives would be better for you. You know, we got to make changes out here. Sometimes we can't just keep doing the same thing if it doesn't work. Also, if you don't feel like you're getting the support you deserve from your clinician, this may be time for you to take the opportunity to try a telehealth company that is interested in providing you with compassionate care who specialize in obesity medication. And that's exactly what I've been leaning towards. And that is what Mochi Health does. Mochi Health is a telehealth company that has doctors who are committed to helping you access anti-obesity medication without any judgment. Okay? Mochi provides many options for compounded and even brand name medications. And they also offer nutrition support and nutrition strategies. And because I've partnered with Mochi Health, they are allowing me to share a special coupon code with you. And I will link all of the information, including my special promotional code for you to receive a percentage off for signing up with Mochi Health. I'll link everything in the description box, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to just send them to me. So, I'm gonna keep you updated on my progress with Zepbound. So far, so good. I have no complaints. I haven't had no headaches, no digestive issues. I'm telling you, nothing. And so, I'm encouraged by it. And I know with like a clean diet and exercise, I will eventually reach my goal on this new medication. But my biggest concern, and it's the concern of many of you, is the side effects, the bad side effects. And I can say that fortunately, I haven't encountered any, but I don't know if that will be my entire experience on Zepbound, because it does go higher. It's a different medication, and it does go higher than Wegovy. And a lot of you send me messages about, like, comments, questions, concerns about Wegovy and, the bad side effects, because you know that I had all the bad side effects from Wegovy. But this new medication has been truly amazing. And I hope I can continue to have a good experience on this medication as I reach the higher dosages. So I want to say that I know a lot of you are struggling right now, and there's like so much stress and anxiety that can come with trying to lose, a significant amount of weight. And it's a very vulnerable and sensitive subject. And I want you to know that I understand and that I'm still here and I'm still rooting for you. And that's why I'm always in the comment section, answering questions and addressing concerns, because we are in this together. I've reached a lot of health goals on a GLP-1 medication, on Wegovy specifically. It has been life-changing. I've had the opportunity to give support and receive support from the GLP-1 community, and I'm extremely grateful for that. I can't talk. I'm also very thirsty, and I hear my Frenchie snoring. But just to continue in that line of thought, I've just decided to take a different path, but I'm still focused on my destination. And I hope that you'll continue to join me. And if you have any questions, please continue to submit them. You can also continue to submit them about Wegovy, because don't forget, I was on Wegovy for a whole year. My channel is primarily focused on my experience with Wegovy. So I'm still here to support you with that medication. If you started Zepbound, then hey, I can support you with that too. So my good people, if you are interested in starting Zepbound, this would be a good time for you to tune in to my channel, because I've completed the first month on the lowest dose, and remember I reported that I had no bad side effects. I'm already going toward week 3 on the 5 milligrams. No bad side effects, really good appetite suppression. So if you haven't subscribed, then now would probably be a good time to do so, because I am going to be uploading a lot more content in the near future. So if you don't have your notifications on, I'm gonna need you to turn them on so you don't miss a thing. It's been a really long day. I know I had some fabulous makeup done, and this is the second exciting piece of news. Here's why. So I got some exciting news that I want to share. I just got my makeup done, and very soon a photographer for the New York Times is coming to my house, because I've been working with a writer on a story about how GLP-1 medications impact family life. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be sharing more about my experience with being interviewed for the New York Times. So guys, I need you to stay tuned, because when the article is finished, I'm gonna talk about it and I'm gonna send you the link so you can read it for yourself, and so you can see my photos as well. If you live in Northwest Indiana or near Chicago and you need a professional makeup artist, did you see how good my makeup was? And I've had it on all day. I need you to check out Alicia, and I will link all of her information in my description box. And I promise y'all, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. You have my word. So just stay tuned, because like I said, you'll be seeing a lot more of me. Now the ice is dropping. I'm telling you, I just got so much going on today. But we made it through. If you haven't already done so, I need you to subscribe. Subscribe, follow this journey, get the support that you need. We have a really great community, and I would love to have you as part of my tribe. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.